We're not having this conversation.
No, of course not.
No, I mean, we really are not having it. You're asking me to violate attorney-client privilege?
Oh, come on, counselor.
You know, I wish people like you would quit saying, "Oh, come on, counselor." I didn't like it the first time it happened today. A judge said it to me twice. And the more I hear it, the more I don't like it.
Okay, well, listen, I understand attorney-client privilege. I understand all the legal gamesmanship, and I understand that's how you make a living. But I'm talking to you about something else. The security of your country. And I'm sorry if the way I put it offends you, but we need to know what Abel is telling you. You understand me, Donovan? We need to know. Don't go Boy Scout on me. We don't have a rule book here.
You're Agent Hoffman, yeah?
Yeah.
German extraction.
Yeah, so?
My name's Donovan. Irish, both sides. Mother and father. I'm Irish. You're German. But what makes us both Americans? Just one thing. One. The rule book. We call it the Constitution, and we agree to the rules, and that's what makes us Americans. It's all that makes us Americans, so don't tell me there's no rule book, and don't nod at me like that, you son of a bitch.